stories, just something in your eyes. Don't be afraid, the shadows know me. Let's leave the world behind. Take me through the night, fall into the dark side. We don't need the light, we'll live on the dark side. I see it, let's feel it while we're still young and fearless. Let go of the light, fall into the dark side. Fall into the dark side. Give into the dark side. Let go of the light, fall into the dark side. Beneath the sky, as black as diamonds, we're running out of time. Don't wait for truth to come and blind us. Let's just believe the lies. Believe it, I see it, I know that you can feel it. No secrets worth keeping, so fool me like I'm dreaming. Take me through the night, fall into the dark side. We don't need the light, we'll live on the dark side. I see it, let's feel it while we're still young and fearless. Let go of the light, fall into the dark side. Fall into the dark side. Give into the dark side. Let go of the light, fall into the dark Take me through the night, fall into the dark side. We don't need the light, we'll live on the dark side. I see it, let's feel it while we're still young and fearless. Let go of the light, fall into the dark side. Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big white world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on the night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They warned her, don't go there, there's creatures who are hiding in the dark. Then something came creeping, it told her, don't you worry, just follow everywhere I go. Top of all the mountains of Valley Low, give you everything you've been dreaming of, just let me in. Ooh. Everything you want to go, that'll be the magic story you've been told, and you'll be safe under my control, just let me in. Just let me in. She knew she was hypnotized and walking on cold thin ice. Then it broke and she awoke again. Then she ran faster and started screaming, is there someone out there? Please help me, come get me. Behind her, she could hear it say, follow everywhere I go. Top of all the mountains of Valley Low, give you everything you've been dreaming of, just let me in. Ooh. Everything
loving and fighting, accusing, denying. I can't imagine a world with you gone. The joy and the chaos, the demons were made up. I'd be so lost if you left me alone. You locked yourself in the bathroom, lying on the floor when I break through. I pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me? Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you. Let me take your hand, I'll make it right. I swear to love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you. Long endless highway, you're silent beside me. Driving a nightmare I can't escape from. Helplessly praying, the light isn't fading. Hiding the shock and the chill in my bones. They took you away on the table. I pace back and forth as you lay still. They pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me? Hold on, I still want you. Come back, I still need you. Let me take your hand, I'll make it right. I swear to love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you. I don't wanna let go. I know I'm not that strong. I just wanna hear you saying, baby, let's go home. Let's go home. Yeah, I just wanna take you home.
I'm so tired of pretending. Where's my happy ending? I followed all the rules, I drew inside the lines. I never asked for anything that wasn't mine. I waited patiently for my time, but when it finally came, he called her name. And now I feel this overwhelming pain. I mean, it's in my veins, I mean, it's in my brain. My thoughts are running in a circle like a toy train. I'm kinda like a perfect picture with a broken frame. I know exactly who to blame. I never thought of myself as me. I always thought that I'd be the queen, and there's no in between. 'Cause if I can't have that, then I will be the leader of the dark and the bad. Now there's a devil on my shoulder where the angels used to be, and he's calling me the queen.